Hi everyone, this is Mike speaking with another unlocking software. So this software can do a lot of things, believe it. You will be surprised to see how this software will be able to handle a lot of devices. Here you can see you have the latest update models here. This is just the recent updates models that have been added. You can see that we have S23, S24, all that. So when you open the tool, if you come to this tab, you will see that we have MTK, Qualcomm, Unisoc. These are the universal options, and then we have the brands here. So to get this tool, I will show you how to get the tool before I go into the tool, show you the options and the things that the tool can do and all that. So to get this tool, you have to head onto your browser. It will be easy for you to download if you are using a PC. Head onto your browser. In your search tab, type Selar text unlocking tools. Just type that. Once you search, you will have this. This is my website right there, my text unlocking tools. You click. So when you click there, you will see that we have the tool here. This is the name, BFT tool. If you don't see the tool, maybe you are watching the video after some months or weeks. If you don't see the tool right there, just come to the search tab right here and type BFT. When you type that, you click on search. When you do that, you will see the tool. All you have to do, click on the tool. Okay, once you open the page, you just have to scroll down to the end of the page. If you want to know more information, see more information about the tool, you can also read. So if you check this, if you click here, you will see that this is my promo code for MailBet 1xBet. So if you are into betting, you can use my promo code to get a bonus. Okay, that's not why we are here. To get this tool, just click right there and just wait for 10 seconds here. You will get a direct link. For those who just skip the video, they will complain that the download link is not working. But if you watch till this place, you will see that you just have to click here. You just have to click there and click download. Once you click download, you will be good to go. The tool will just download, and you just have to click on the file, then install the file. So after installing, when you open the tool, you will have a login option. Just click on the login. Once you log in, you will have this. So as I was saying, if you want to unlock a device, you see that the device is an MTK device, uses an MTK CPU, and you want to use the universal option, not the brand option here. You just select. When you select each option here, you will have a different interface here. So this interface is for MTK devices because you have selected MTK right there. You'll see that we have the flash option where you can flash the scattered file of the MTK device. If you click here, you will see the things that you can do. Read information in meta mode, which is MTK flash mode. You can see the things that you can do here, factory reset, and do all that. So you can use all these options if in case you have forgotten your phone password. So keep in mind, this video is for educational purposes. You can see all the things that you can do. Unlock bootloader permanently, which is impressive. If you come to Qualcomm EDL option, this is perfect. And the sweetest thing about this tool is that if you come to this other option here, drivers, you will see the drivers that you have to install. Also, you can go to my website, search drivers, and you'll be able to download all drivers that you need. But if you click here, click on any of these drivers, it will install all the drivers that you need to be able to use the tool. So in the Qualcomm option, if you come to auto here, you will see that it automatically selects the model once you connect the phone to the EDL mode. That's because you have selected the Qualcomm, which is the universal option. So these are the things that you can do. We have the flash option, and we have the option here in which will be the most common option that you will use most of the time, right? You can see all the things that you can do. So if you come to Unisoc, which is SPD Spectrum, mostly for ITEL mobile PCBs, you can see that you can flash the pack file right here. In service, you see all the things that you can do. Then if you come here, you see that you have the direct option here, you will see the things that you can do. And once we get into the models, to be specific, you will see how impressive this is. For example, we are in Unisoc. If you go to itel and click here, you will see all the models that the tool supports. You see we have recent phones like this. You see all the models that the phone supports. If you go to a different brand like Samsung, you click on model here, it has a lot of options here. You can see S24 Plus, S24 Ultra and all that, and more updates are coming. So yeah, check it out. If you don't know how to do unlocking, I have a video where you can learn the basics of unlocking mobile phones and all that. So keep in mind that any of these phones will have to be in a specific mode for you to be able to unlock using the tool. For example, we have MTK. You have to be on MTK preloader mode, meta mode and all that. So all you have to do is that if you have an MTK phone to unlock, you just press the volume up and the volume down of the mobile PCB when the phone is off. Connect your charger to the phone while you have already started to your tags here. For example, if you want to read the phone information or format, you just click here. So you will see that it says connect power off phone. All you have to do is press the volume up and the volume down, then connect the USB cable, and the tool will detect the phone and start the process, whatever you want to do. And you can stop the process here. So same goes to, but there are some phones with different ways to get into the download mode. You can just check a video on YouTube on how to get into EDL mode on this specific Samsung, how to get into flash mode on this specific MTK phone, how to get into this mode on this particular mobile phone. So once you know how to get into the flash mode of the specific device that you want to unlock, when you come to this tool, you can easily perform whatever you want to. You get. So thank you. Follow for more videos like this. I will keep dropping more unlocking tool videos. Thank you.